What if I told you that the most powerful part of your day isn't your workout, your medications, or even your bedtime routine? It's the first 10 minutes after you wake up. Before we dive into these life-changing habits, I want to tell you about our private senior health community where health-conscious seniors connect, share tips, and join our weekly group calls and monthly expert sessions. If you're looking for ongoing support on your health journey, check the link in the description. I've also created a free printable checklist of today's morning routine that you can download right now. You'll find the link below. Especially after 65, those first few minutes can either gently set your body up for energy, clarity, and comfort, or let stiffness, fatigue, and brain fog creep in. We all want to age well, maintain our independence, keep our mental sharpness, and stay connected to others. The truth is, aging well starts in the morning. Today, I'm walking you through 5 science-backed, realistic morning habits. Each one is simple, but together they create a powerful routine that supports your mobility, digestion, energy, mental sharpness, and mood for the entire day. Don't worry, I'm not telling you to wake up at 5 a.m. and run a marathon. These are habits anyone can do, most before you even get out of bed. Let's get started. Before your feet even touch the ground, give your brain a gentle wake up with 1 minute of mental clarity. The method is simple but powerful. Try recalling yesterday in reverse. Start with last night and work backward. What did you eat for dinner? Who did you talk to? What moments made you smile? This simple brain activity lights up your hippocampus, the part of your brain tied to memory and cognition. This mental exercise activates your prefrontal cortex and hippocampus, regions crucial for memory and emotional regulation. It gently stimulates episodic recall, which is one of the first cognitive functions to decline with age. Marie, a 74-year-old retired school teacher, started this practice after her husband passed when mornings became emotionally heavy and mentally foggy. She spends 1 minute each morning reviewing the previous day in reverse from bedtime back to breakfast. Over time, this helped her feel more centered and mentally awake. Her friends have noticed she seems more focused and present in conversations. This isn't just memory work, it's grounding. Instead of reaching for your phone or rushing to start your day, you begin by connecting with your mind. No stimulation, no stress, just awareness. If memory isn't your strong suit, don't worry. This isn't a test, it's practice that trains your brain to stay alert and reflective. You can enhance this by pairing it with slow, deep breathing, which reduces morning cortisol spikes. If the memory exercise doesn't appeal to you, use this minute to set an intention, breathe deeply, or simply be still and present. After 65, your body's thirst signal weakens, making even mild dehydration more common and more dangerous. Dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, confusion, and increase your risk of falls. The fix is simple. Drink water within 15 minutes of waking up. You've just gone 7-8 hours without fluids. Your cells are thirsty, your joints need lubrication, and your digestive system needs help waking up. As we age, brain thirst signaling becomes weaker, meaning you might already be dehydrated before your body tells you. Overnight, you lose water through breathing and sweat, even if you don't notice it. George, the 69-year-old retired construction worker, used to go straight to coffee when he woke up. Frequent dizziness and morning fatigue led him to start drinking a full glass of water the moment he woke up. Over months, he's noticed more energy, less bloating, and fewer mid-morning crashes. He keeps a bottle by his bed now, and it's become as automatic as brushing his teeth. Aim for 8-12 ounces of room temperature water, ideally with a pinch of sea salt or squeeze of lemon to replenish minerals lost overnight. This is especially important for seniors on blood pressure medications or diuretics. Hydration first thing helps with energy levels, blood pressure regulation, bowel movements, and brain function. Make this a habit anchor. Drink your water before touching your phone or turning on the news. That connection helps solidify the routine. If you tend to wake up feeling stiff or unsteady, this habit is crucial. Before standing up, take 2-3 minutes to gently wake up your body with small movements while still lying down. As we age, blood pools more easily in the lower extremities after lying for hours, which is why many people feel lightheaded when they first stand up. Gentle movement primes the baroreceptors in your blood vessels to adapt to positional changes more smoothly. This isn't about flexibility. It's a circulatory safety habit. When you're still for hours, fluid builds in joints, blood flow slows, and your nervous system is in rest mode. Suddenly springing out of bed after 65 can lead to dizziness, joint strain, organ falls. Here's your simple in-bed routine. Roll your ankles in circles 10 times each direction. Wiggle your toes, squeeze your glutes, gently stretch your arms overhead, slowly turn your head side to side, and draw your knees into your chest one at a time. Samantha, 72, lives alone and used to experience stiffness and lightheadedness when standing too quickly. After a fall made her cautious, she added this gentle in-bed movement routine each morning. She starts with ankle circles, then lightly stretches her arms and legs before leaving the mattress. Since doing this consistently, she feels steadier on her feet and more in control of her mornings. These pre-movements wake up your circulatory system, activate your balance responses, and signal your body that it's time to move safely. It's like warming up a car in winter. Everything just runs better. Many older adults unintentionally undereat protein in the morning, but this is exactly when your body needs it most. Protein in the first hour helps stabilize blood sugar, support muscle maintenance, reduce later cravings, and keep you full and focused. After 60, we experience something called anabolic resistance. We need more protein per meal to stimulate muscle repair and retention. Most seniors don't get enough protein early in the day, and that early protein sets the stage for stable blood sugar, muscle health, and cognitive clarity throughout the day. Sam, 77, lives with his dog and for years barely ate breakfast. Just coffee and maybe toast. After noticing muscle weakness and fatigue, his doctor suggested increasing morning protein. Sam now makes simple breakfasts with eggs and vegetables, sometimes adding a protein smoothie. He says it's made a huge difference in how steady he feels when walking his dog or doing chores. His appetite improved, and he no longer gets mid-morning energy crashes. Aim for 20-30 grams of protein with breakfast. This could look like 2 eggs with Greek yogurt, a protein smoothie with almond milk and berries, peanut butter on whole grain toast with a boiled egg, or a tofu scramble with vegetables. If you're not hungry when you wake up, try drinking your protein in a shake or smoothie, or start with warm protein broth. Skipping breakfast entirely often leads to mid-morning crashes and progressive muscle weakness over time. This isn't about eating a feast. It's about giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Last but crucial, mobility. We're not talking about yoga class or heavy lifting. Just gentle, joint-loving movements that keep your body agile and pain-free. Joint fluid becomes thicker and less lubricating with age, and movement is what redistributes it effectively. This isn't about working out. It's about letting your body know the day is starting, and it's time to move safely. Even 5-10 repetitions of simple movements can reduce fall risk, improve proprioception, and support everyday tasks like bending or lifting. Dolores, 81, lives in a senior apartment complex and has always been active despite dealing with arthritis. She began a light mobility routine each morning, rolling her shoulders, ankles, and hips before making coffee. It's gentle but consistent. Over time, this movement has kept her joints more fluid and her posture better. She's even started leading a small group stretch with neighbors, turning a solo habit into something social and uplifting. Once you're out of bed and hydrated, spend 2-3 minutes on this quick sequence. Roll your shoulders backward and forward, gently twist your torso left to right, circle your hips, do light knee bends holding a counter for support, and roll your wrists and ankles. These movements encourage circulation to joints, maintain range of motion, and prevent age-related stiffness. Try doing mobility work while waiting for your coffee to brew. That 3-minute window is perfect timing. Think of it as brushing your teeth, but for your joints. Morning mobility has been shown to improve coordination and balance throughout the day, significantly reducing fall risk. Your new morning routine after 65 can look like this. 1 minute of mental clarity practice, immediate hydration with 8-12 ounces of water, gentle in-bed movements before standing, a protein-rich breakfast with 20-30 grams of protein, and 2-3 minutes of mobility work. The entire routine takes less than 15 minutes, but the payoff is enormous. Your challenge for the next week: choose one of these habits and commit to it every morning for 7 days. Notice how you feel. Pay attention to changes in your energy, stability, or mood. Once one habit feels natural, add the next. Don't forget to download your free printable morning routine checklist. It includes everything we covered today, plus timing suggestions and helpful reminders. You'll find the download link in the description below. If you want ongoing support and community on your health journey, I encourage you to join our private senior health community. We offer weekly group calls where you can ask questions and connect with other health-conscious seniors, plus monthly expert sessions with healthcare professionals. It's a supportive environment specifically designed for people committed to healthy aging. Check the link in the description. For those interested in products that can support these morning habits, I've included links to helpful items. You can also find more detailed information about healthy aging routines on our blog. Remember, the most powerful medicine for healthy aging can be as simple as how you start your day. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.